Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need to establish authority before changing controls. Ask the account owner to sit with you and open the Microsoft account settings. Once done, make sure they can sign in. If you are the parent, sign into account. Microsoft. With the owner email and password. If you are not the parent, do not try to bypass controls. Instead, explain why you need changes and request permission. These steps prevent lockouts and protect the account from unauthorized access or fraud. Once signed in by an authorized person, use the Family Settings app or the Microsoft Family web page to make changes. Navigate to the child's profile, then modify screen time, content filters, and purchase controls. You'll see why each toggle exists, and you can explain the reasoning as you change them. Make sure to save adjustments and confirm on the console. If you are the parent, enabling dedicated family controls keeps consent visible and logs changes for accountability, and finish by testing the child profile on the console to confirm the intended changes took effect. Once done, discuss new rules and consequences. If you cannot make changes because of lost passwords or organizer access, use Microsoft's official account recovery flow or contact support for guided help rather than trying to bypass protections. A key troubleshooting tip: verify the family organizer email and reset that password first. Many control issues trace back to organizer account access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.